Close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You're standing in an open field in the Midwest. The wind is brushing past you, but you aren't really there. Instead, you are sitting in the cockpit of a machine that is screaming through the air at 60 miles per hour. You are diving off the edge of a skyscraper, weaving through the tight canopy of a forest, and feeling the literal G-force of a sharp turn in the pit of your stomach. For years, this experience, what we call FPV or first-person view, was locked behind a massive paywall. You needed $1,000, a degree in engineering, and the patience to solder tiny wires. But today, in 2026, DJI has done something that feels like a glitch in the Matrix. They've released the Goggles N3. Most people are looking at these and seeing a budget version of the Goggles 3. They think it's just a cheaper, plasticky box for beginners. They are wrong. This device is a tactical shift in how we experience the world. It is the first time that pro-level immersion has been made this accessible, this comfortable, and this dangerous to the competition. Today, we aren't just doing a review. We are going deep into why the N3 might actually be better than the flagship models, why your glasses are no longer an enemy, and the secret O4 protocol that is quietly changing the sky above us. If you've ever wanted to fly but were too afraid of the cost or the complexity, sit down. Because by the end of this video, you're going to realize that the boundary between you and the sky just evaporated. Let's start with the big screen lie. In the world of FPV goggles, there are two types of people. Those who like tiny, crisp micro-OLED screens, and those who want a massive, immersive cinematic view. The Goggles N3 uses a single, ultra-wide 1080p LCD screen. Now on paper, LCD sounds like a downgrade from OLED, right? Wrong. Because it's a single large panel, the field of view is a staggering 54 degrees. When you put these on, you don't feel like you're looking at two small TV screens at the end of a dark hallway. You feel like you are sitting in the front row of an IMAX theater that covers your entire peripheral vision. This is the N3 secret. It's not about the tech specs, it's about the scale. It's designed to make you forget you're wearing goggles at all. But here is the real reason the US market is losing its mind over the N3. The glasses problem. If you wear prescription glasses, FPV has always been a nightmare. You either had to buy expensive custom diopter inserts or try to cram your frames into a tiny headset that pinched your face. The Goggles N3 changed the game. It is a box-style evolution that is specifically designed to accommodate your glasses. No adjustments, no extra lenses, no blurred edges. You just put them on and fly. It sounds simple, but for millions of people who have been locked out of the FPV world because of their eyesight, this is the most important feature DJI has released in 5 years. Now let's talk about the brain of this device, the O4 transmission system. This is where things get technical, but stay with me, because this is why you won't crash your $500 drone. The O4 system is DJI's latest digital link. It operates on a massive bandwidth that allows for a 1080p feed at 60 frames per second with almost zero perceivable lag. When you move your head, the horizon moves instantly. In the old days, a half-second delay meant the difference between a cool video and a pile of broken carbon fiber. With the N3 and O4, the connection is so tight it feels like a physical cable is connecting your brain